Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the fifth question in exercise 7.9. So let's look at this function, integral of 2x minus 1 by 4x squared into e power x dx. So let's write out the general formula for this. So integral e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx is equal to e power x f of x plus c. So please note in the formula the power of e, that is just x. However, here it is 2x. So we are going to substitute 2x as t. So this means 2 dx is equal to dt. So this is going to be replaced by dt by 2. And this part will become t because 2x is t. Now 2x is t means 4x squared will be t squared. So let's make all these changes in this integration. So this is integral of t minus 1 by t squared into e power t dt by 2. So in the next step, I'm going to take this 1 by 2 outside. So 1 by 2 integral of this fraction I'm going to break. So this will become t by t squared minus 1 by t squared into e power t dt. Now this I can simplify. So this is 1 by 2 integral of 1 by t minus 1 by t squared into e power t dt. So if you compare with this formula, this tells you that f of x is actually equal to 1 by t. So all the variables are in t, so this should not be a problem. So we see f dash of x is going to be minus 1 by t squared, that is also there. We can directly integrate and write this as half of e power t into what is f of x, which is in this case 1 by t plus c. Now we can put back the value of t as per the requirement. So this is 1 by 2 into e power 2x into 1 by 2x plus c. So if you nicely reorganize, this becomes 1 by 4x e power 2x plus c. In the next video, we will find the solution to the sixth question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.